what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily make a recipe book in Canva. So all you have to do is head over to canva.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the templates search bar, we're just going to search for recipe book, then just press enter. And from here, you can see a variety of creative designs that you may choose for your recipe book. And from here, we're just going to use this template. Just choose on the specific template that you want to use. Then proceed by clicking on Customize this template. Next, in a new tab, you can start Googling for photos of the dish that you want to create. And in our case, say for example, we want to add steak frites in our recipe book. So I'm just going to take this photo. So just copy this, then head back to Canva, then paste it here. So we're just going to remove this photo, then replace it with our dish photo. Next, just change the title into the name of your dish. Then next, we're just going to head over to ingredients. And in a new tab, you can actually use ChatGPT to generate the ingredients and the instructions for cooking. And all you have to do is add in a prompt and let ChatGPT generate the ingredients and instructions for our steak and frites, or in your case, your dish. And as you can see, ChatGPT gave us the ingredients list and the instructions for cooking. And from here, all you have to do is copy all the ingredients, then head back to Canva. We're just going to replace this list, select all, then clear, then paste. The next, we can now head over to directions or instructions. Just head back to ChatGPT and copy all the instructions. Then head back on Canva, remove all this, then paste our instructions. And this is now how our design looks like. You can repeat the same process if you want to create more dish. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!